Hello all. Today we will discuss what is selection sort. Okay, so let us discuss about selection sort. So the name itself is a sorting technique. Okay, so selection sort is a sorting technique. Sorting technique used to sort an element in ascending order or in descending order. ओके, सो इट इज़ जनरली यूज टू अरेंज. आप उसको छोटे से बड़ा या बड़े से छोटा इसमें आप अरेंज कर सकते हो. ओके, सो दैट इज़ अ जॉब ऑफ सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट. ओके, नाउ हाउ द सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट इज वर्किंग. ओके, लेट अस डिस्कस द सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट. फाइन. तो सिलेक्शन सॉर्ट में आप क्या बनाते हो. आपको सबसे पहले यू रिक्वायर्ड एन एरे. लेट अस डिस्कस दैट दिस इज एन एरे. ओके, ये आपका एरे है. Okay, array is what is an array. Array is nothing but is a finite set of homogeneous data element stored in a contiguous memory location. So it is a finite set of data element. Okay, finite means a fixed number of element. Okay, so this is a fixed number of element. Fine. And stored in a contiguous memory location. Contiguous मतलब क्या होता है, एक के बाद एक. अगर आपका डेटा एलिमेंट एक के बाद एक अगर स्टोर्ड है तो देन यू कैन से इट इज़ व्हाट, इट इज़ अ कंटिजियस डेटा एलिमेंट. ओके, सो आपका एरे में एलिमेंट क्या होना चाहिए. एरे में एलिमेंट होने चाहिए आपके एक तो फाइनाइट होने चाहिए. इन एरे एन एरे शुड बी एन एरे एलिमेंट एन एरे एलिमेंट शुड बी फाइनाइट. ओके, फाइनाइट होना चाहिए. और क्या होना चाहिए, होमोजीनियस होना चाहिए. होमोजीनियस मतलब सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ डेटा होना चाहिए. होमोजीनियस होना चाहिए. एंड क्या होना चाहिए, कंटिजियस होना चाहिए. कंटिजियस का मतलब एक के बाद एक होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ एन एरे. ओके, नाउ अब ये एरे कंटिजियस है. कंटिजियस है मतलब क्या, कंटिजियस मतलब दिस एरे विल हैव सम एड्रेस. एरे एलिमेंट विल हैव सम एड्रेस. लेट अस अज्यूम दैट दिस इज एन 2000 is an address. Okay, then 2002, then 2004, then 2000, this is 2004, this is 2006, and this is 2008. Okay, now let us store the element that is say this is 50, then this is 10, this is 20, this is 40, and this is 30. This is 30. Okay, these are the element. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to arrange this element in ascending or descending order. Okay, now what is the logic over here to arrange this element. Okay, now what first you will do, what you do. Okay, तो ये आप सबसे पहले ये जो आपका पहला जो एलिमेंट है उसको आप क्या अज्यूम करोगे, मिनिमम अज्यूम करोगे. द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट यू विल अज्यूम दैट एज ए मिनिमम. सो व्हाट इज़ योर मिनिमम एलिमेंट, फर्स्ट एलिमेंट. द मिनिमम एलिमेंट जो है वो अपन अज्यूम कर लेते, दैट इज़ 50. 50 इज़ द मिनिमम एलिमेंट. ओके, नाउ आपका जो आई है, आई इज़ एन इटरेशन. इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड इट विल गो अप टू 0, 1, 2 and 3. That is n minus 1. N minus 1 less than n minus 1. So it will go to less than, it should be less than, I should be less than n minus 1. So what is the value of n? That n is the number of element. The number of element are 5. So it should be less than 5 minus 1, that is 4. Less than 4. Less than 4 means it will go up to over here. Okay. Now initially the value of I will be 0. That is first iteration. Okay, initially the value of I will be 0 for the first iteration. And the j क्या रहेगा, j will be, so this is I, this is I will be, okay, this is I, and j will be from I plus 1. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is less than n, and this should be, j should be less than n. J should be less than n. Okay, now j should be less than n means it go up to 4. Less than, that is 5. Okay, so this is the first iteration. Okay, this is the first iteration. This is first iteration. Okay, now the first is 50. Okay, so how it will work, you assume this 50 and you will compare with each element. So is it 50, is it 50, is it greater than 10, is it 50 greater than 10? Yes, the 50 is greater than 10, so your minimum will be changed to 10. Okay, and you also required one more variable, that is position. So initially the position will be, let us assume that it is 0. So as soon as you get as soon as your 50, as soon as your 50 is greater than 10, okay, so your in which position you got this element, that is first position. So your position is nothing but is an index, कौन से index पे आपको जो element मिला. तो 50 greater than 10 है, इसलिए आपका index क्या हुआ, that is position क्या हुआ, 1. Now again you will compare, now the minimum is 10. Now you will compare 10 with 20. Is it 10 greater than 20? No. Is it 10 greater than 40? No. Is it 10 greater than 30? No. So you got a minimum. So what you will do, you will interchange this 10 with 50. So यहाँ पे आपका क्या होगा, this 10 and this 50 will be interchanged. तो यहाँ पे आपका आ जाएगा 10, यहाँ पे आपका हो गया 50, okay, यहाँ 50 आ गया, बाकी सब as it is रहेगा. That everything will be as it is. Okay. So this is now this is my fixed. ये मेरा एलिमेंट जो है ये फिक्स हो गया क्योंकि ये स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट. ओके, नाउ अगेन वी अज्यूम दैट नाउ दिस इज फॉर आई इक्वल टू 0. okay, this is for I equal to 0, that is this is for first iteration. Okay, now for second iteration, that is I equal to 1. Now again you will assume what is the minimum will be 50. So again your minimum will be 50. Okay, so your minimum is 50, and here the loop will start from where it will go from, see this, the I is 1, so the value of I will be 1. Okay, so initially the value of I here it was 0. Okay, initially it was 0. Okay, now here the value of I will be 1. now ये j कहाँ से कहाँ तक चलेगा, it will 2 3 4 2 3 4. now it will compare this first element which is a minimum. So minimum, this is 50 greater than 20, yes, so minimum is 20. Okay, so minimum is 20. Okay, now again you will compare this 20 with 40. Is it 20 greater than 40? No. Is it 20 greater than 30? No. So you got a minimum. At what index you got the minimum? Minimum you got at index 2. You got an index 2. So you will interchange this second index with this. So what will happen, this 20 will come to this position and 50 will go to this position, and the remaining will be present as it is. Okay, so this will be as it is. Now this has been fixed, okay. Now again you will assume that now for I equal to 2, now my minimum will be again this is 50. My minimum is 50. Okay, now this is for I equal to 2. Okay, now it will move from 3 to 4, that is this one 3 and this is 4. Okay, now you will compare 50 greater than 40, yes, your minimum will be 40, and what index you will get it, 0 1 2, this is the second index. Okay, and again you will compare, is it 40 greater than 30, yes, your minimum is 30. Okay, and what index is 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3. So this is 40, the index is 3, 0 1 2 3, index is 3, and 30 you got at index is 4. Okay, so what you will do, you will interchange this 30 with 50. This 30 and 50 will be interchanged, so 30 will come over here. Okay, and 50 will go where, here. Rest will be as it is, and this is already fixed, Okay, now now for I equal to 3. Okay, now I equal to 3, we assume that minimum is what, 50. Minimum is 50, and it will go from where, 4 to 4. Okay, because it will go from 4 to 4 to 4 means this 50 will be compared to 50, so no interchange. Okay, so it will be there. Okay, so this is how your sorting takes place. Okay, this is already sorted. Okay, and this process and this technique in which how this sorting have done, this is nothing but this is called as selection sort. Now why it is called as a selection sort, it is very clear, because why, because we are selecting the smallest element, and what we are doing, we are placing it in a first position, and again we are finding the remaining element जो बचा हुआ उसमें से फिर से अपने smallest element निकाला और उसको कहाँ place करते हो, यहाँ second position पे. Okay, second position पे फिर से जो बचा स्मॉलेस्ट एलिमेंट जो बचा उसको थर्ड पोजीशन पे, फिर से जो स्मॉलेस्ट जो बचा उसको फोर्थ पोजीशन पे, जो 50 जो बचा लास्ट में उसको लास्ट में प्लेस करना. सो दिस इज व्हाट सिलेक्शन sort is. Now let us see the implementation of it. Okay, now for an implementation, let us define the size of an array. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, remove this. So we define the size of an array. That is, the size of an array is this. Now we will define an array. So this is my array. Okay, so array, you know that once you define an array, the next step will be you have to enter the element in an array. You enter the element in an array. Okay, now you know that if you want to enter an element, you require an index. Okay, so I take ij, you require pos. Okay, and this is an index. Okay, so I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Now you have to enter the array element. So array element is a of I. You have to take the element. So scanf is what? Scanf is a function which is used to enter an element through user. And %d, because it's an integer array, so %d is a format specifier used to accept an integer element, and ampersand a of I. So I will range from 0 to less than 5, that is 0 to 4, and you will take each and every element, that is a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, and a of 4. Okay, once it is done, now the second step will be you have to apply the logic. So here you have to apply the logic. Now for a logic, again what you will do, you start from I equal to 0. I should be less than n minus 1, as I told you. I plus plus, here as I told you it should be n minus 1. Okay, and we will find out the minimum. You assume that the first element is a minimum element, so I require one more variable, that is min. So min is a variable which is used to store the minimum element, assuming the first element as a minimum element. And now my second j will start from I plus 1, because if I equal to 0, the j will start from 1. If I equal to 1, j will start from 1. Okay, see, if I equal to 0, the j is starting from 1. If I equal to 1, the j is starting from 2. Okay, so that is why j will start from I plus 1, and j will go up to n, and j plus plus. Okay, now what I will do, what I have to do, I have to compare. Is this my minimum is greater than, is this minimum, whatever minimum that I have assumed, the first element, is it greater than my a of j? If this is so, then I have to change the minimum. My minimum will be this one. Because why? Because the minimum which you have assumed is greater than the next element. It means that the minimum which we have assumed is not a minimum element, so we have to change the minimum element. So minimum element is changed, and we have to store the index also. My index will be j, so I have stored the index. Okay, so this is done. So it will go, this loop will help you, this particular for loop will help you to find out the minimum element in an array. Once you identify the minimum element, now the next step will be you have to find out the position in which you got an element. Okay, and it should not be equal to this I. Why? Because if it is same, then there is no need to change. The minimum element which you got is the ith element. Okay, which you have assumed, that is the minimum element, then there is no need to change. Okay, if it is not so, then you have to change. Okay, so what you will do, you have to put in a of position. In a of position, you have to place the minimum element. Okay, and a of I, you have to place the a of pos. Okay, so what you do, this you have to done early. Okay, so फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे क्या किया, फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे आपने जो मिनिमम जहाँ मिला वो इंडेक्स का एलिमेंट उठा के आपने फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे डाल दिए, और जिस पोजीशन पे जो थर्ड पोजीशन है, तो थर्ड पोजीशन पे आपको क्या डालना पड़ेगा, दैट यू हैव टू कीप इट ए ऑफ आई. सो ए ऑफ आई को उठा के आपने क्या किया, ए ऑफ आई को उठा के आपने पोजीशन पे डाल दिए. ओके, फर्स्ट वाला एलिमेंट जो उठा के पोजीशन पे डाल दिए, और ए ऑफ पोस में मतलब क्या, मिनिमम, आपने जो मिनिमम मिला, मिनिमम एलिमेंट को उठा के आपने फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे डाल दिया. ओके, दिस प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू. ओके, दिस प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू, एंड दिस इज माय आई फॉर लूप, एंड finally I have to print the element. So for printing the element, what I will do, I will printf %d. This is my sorted array. sorted array. So this is a sorted array. So for a sorted array, so I equal to 0, I less than n, I, this is I plus plus. So I will print, so printf %d integer and slash t tab, okay, escape sequence. Okay, now I have to print a of I. Okay, so this for loop is closed, your main is closed. Okay, and before main you have to return the value. Okay, so this is done. Okay, I have saved this. Now I have to execute this. For I go to the terminal. You can go to the terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T. You get into this terminal. Now I will execute this command. Okay, G++ compiler. Okay, so I am executing this. So showing an error. What is an error? Error is nothing but there is a problem with bracket. So let me see what is the problem with the bracket. This is the main, this is for loop, this for loop is closed, it's okay. This 2 for loop, this 3 for, this is 2 bracket is open, 3 bracket is open. So 1 is closed, so this 1 is closed and this for loop has to be closed over here. Okay, so this for loop, this is J for loop. So this J for loop has to be closed and then I is closed and now it's okay. I think that problem is solved. Okay, now yeah, this is done. Now I will execute this. Okay, now I will execute this. Okay, enter the element. Yes, 5 element. The first element I have taken as 5, the second is 3, then 1, then 2, then 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this is how the selection sort work in C. Okay, I hope you enjoyed, you understand the concept. Okay, thank you so much.